Congratulations to Turkey, they played better. We make our worst game in semi-final, a lot of turnovers, a lot, not mature turnovers. Our energy and our game plan was different. We didn't execute, but it's happening to everybody. I'm very, very, very proud from my players, and now we have to concentrate for the next big game. This is we are in the end. This is the biggest game for us to take this medal. We said before our game plan was not of ball cuts, and we received 20 points from our ball cuts, and we lost 22 possessions by our turnovers. And not only this, not only we lost 22 possessions by turnovers, but we give so many opportunities to Turkey to have the ball and to run and make easy baskets. So our concentration level for this type of game was not there. It's happening. We made our worst game now, and it's okay for me. Now we have to go for medal. That is huge for my country. I think it's a game for the medal. You know, they play with huge energy. They shoot threes. They move the ball, and we have to be ready. Yanni, it's not disappointment. Disappointment that we are in semi-final and in best four teams in Europe after 16 years. Cannot be disappointment. You know, they play better. They won. So we try to. I see all the time where the players are good. They need to have energy. This is, like you said, I agree. It's huge for our country. For us, it's everything. And we play with a very good team. We have to be ready. Finland is a really good team. Look, they hit shots. They have Sengun that he can pass the ball. They have very athletic guards that they can play good defense. Bigs that play good defense. They are big lineup. They are big. They hedge out on the ball very good, and they play on the passing lanes. And we were not able to make the quick pass and to open their defense. We hold the ball so much, and we go to a lot of turnovers. But also they play good in offense. They have good chemistry, and you know, this is a really good team. Like now in this stage, the best teams in Europe are here, so they play much better than us. Διαφωνώ μαζί σου. Πιστεύω ότι έπρεπε να πασάρουμε την μπάλα νωρίς λίγο περισσότερο και καλύτερα στον ελεύθερο παίχτη, γιατί όλη η Τουρκία τα πάνω του. Είναι άνθρωπος, παρότι δεν κάνει υγιεινά πράγματα σε αυτό το τουρνουά. Είναι εκπληκτικός για μας, είναι ο ηγέτης μας, μαζί με Σλούκα, Παπα-Νικολάου. Είμαι ευλογημένος που είμαστε μαζί και αντιπροσωπεύουμε τη χώρα μας και έτυχε να κάνει ένα κακό παιχνίδι και πιστεύω θα είναι...
Yes, they play better than us. It's over now. We will play a final now with Finland. Yes, it's going to be a tough game. We have to prepare correct and to play our basketball.